grids, which can manage the flow of electricity more effectively, will enable solar energy to be used more efficiently and reliably. Building integrated photovoltaics, BIP, the development of BIP systems, which integrate solar panels directly into building materials such as windows and roofs, will enable solar energy to be more seamlessly integrated into buildings and structures. Solar-powered transportation, the development of solar-powered cars, buses, and other forms of transportation will enable solar energy to be used to power a wider range of applications. Conclusion. In conclusion, solar energy is a promising source of renewable energy that is becoming increasingly efficient and cost-effective thanks to advances in technology. The future of solar energy technology is promising, with continued advancements in efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and versatility. As the energy industry continues to evolve, the development of solar energy technology will remain a critical area of focus, driving innovation and progress in the industry. The future of energy is bright, and solar energy will undoubtedly play a key role in shaping its continued growth and success. Benefits of solar energy technology. The benefits of solar energy technology are numerous, including clean and sustainable. Solar energy is a clean and sustainable source of energy, producing no emissions or pollutants. Cost-effective. Advances in technology have driven down the cost of solar panels, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers and businesses. Reliable. Solar energy can be a reliable source of energy, especially in areas with abundant sunlight. Versatile. Solar energy can be used in a variety of applications, from powering homes and businesses to providing energy for transportation. Job creation. The growth of the solar energy industry has created numerous job opportunities in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. Challenges of solar energy technology. Despite the many benefits of solar energy technology, there are also several challenges that must be addressed. Some of the key challenges include intermittency. Solar energy is an intermittent source of energy, with output varying depending on weather conditions and time of day. Energy storage. Energy storage systems, such as batteries, can be expensive and may not be available in all areas. Land use. Solar farms and other large-scale solar installations can require significant amounts of land, which can be a challenge in densely populated areas. Grid integration. Integrating solar energy into existing energy grids can be complex and requires careful planning and coordination. Environmental impact. The production and disposal of solar panels and other solar technologies can have an environmental impact, which must be carefully managed. Environmental impact. The production and disposal of solar panels and other solar technologies can have an environmental impact, which must be carefully managed. Conclusion. In conclusion, solar energy is a promising source of renewable energy that offers numerous benefits, including sustainability, cost-effectiveness, reliability, versatility, and job creation. However, there are also several challenges that must be addressed, including intermittency, energy storage, land use, grid integration, and environmental impact. As the energy industry continues to evolve, the development of solar energy technology will remain a critical area of focus, driving innovation and progress in the industry. As the energy industry continues to evolve, the development of solar energy technology